Reed Maintenance Services Inc., your premier partner in waste management excellence, is now proudly offering its unparalleled dumpster rental in the medical district, nestled in the heart of Huntsville, Alabama. Our commitment to delivering waste solutions goes above and beyond, catering to the medical district and the entire tapestry of surrounding areas in Huntsville, Alabama. Reed Maintenance is your trusted, reliable beacon for efficient and hassle-free waste disposal. Our services extend beyond the ordinary, transforming dumpster rental into an extraordinary experience. With a wide range of dumpster sizes available, we ensure that your waste management needs are met with precision and care, leaving you with nothing but a sense of pristine order and cleanliness. At Reed Maintenance Services Inc., we provide dumpsters, peace of mind, and a cleaner environment for the medical district and the surrounding Huntsville communities. For top-notch dumpster rental services redefining waste management standards, visit our website at reeddumpsters.com or call 256-640-7888. Reed Maintenance Services Inc. is your dedicated partner in ensuring the beauty and cleanliness of the medical district and the broader areas of Huntsville, Alabama. Experience the difference. Reed Maintenance, where excellence meets waste management.